Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Hany from Oral Health and Beyond Collective, which covers dental care extra, kids and snoring laser care. And I'm pleased to be joined with Dr. Matt. Thanks for coming in today, Matt.
Thanks, Dr. Hany.
So today we'll be explaining to you what sort of personal protective equipment we have added specifically to be able to look after you and serve you better in a more safe environment. Okay, so we're going to introduce everyone and see what it does and how is it protecting you and us as well. So we'll start with the first item we're going to be wearing when you come and see us.
So the first thing we've got here is to replace the standard mask you're normally see us wearing, which is the Clean Space Ultra respirator. So this is basically a respirator which protects us much better from viral infections and bacteria as well. It's got a filtered intake through the back, so we breathe through the back and it exhales through the front.
So your nose is going to be at the back?
Yeah.
Or our nose will be at the back?
Our nose will basically be breathing through the back, and we'll have a much better seal around the mouth and nose as well to kind of keep us and the patient protected, which is probably going to be the biggest change that you'll probably notice with a lot of our equipment, and probably the biggest factor and probably why you probably won't be able to hear us as good.
Or understand us.
Or understand.
And the second piece is the fashionable part. And why are we wearing that one?
So basically it's just to protect our hair and our ears from any kind of aerosols and water production that
So do
water
I have to
vapor.
wear it as well?
You still have to wear it,
Oh.
Otherwise you'll have to wash your head after every patient.
Oh,
Probably
no,
won't-
I will
won't
wear
do.
it.
Yeah,
I'll
so
wear
you'll
it.
wear it.
And the very interesting piece, which is the shield or the visor. And I'll sound more funny with this one. So Matt will explain why we wear that one.
Pretty much another thing to limit the water production and water vapor that goes to the dentist's face to kind of protect it, and also from breathing it back towards patients as well. So another key part to kind of protect our eyes and our airways from any kind of viral infections.
That's awesome. So it's a great safety measures, guys. I think thanks to the COVID-19, like these things started to become more and more available now, which is awesome protection for the future as well. And the standard stuff we normally use, gowns. Yeah.
Yep, just a standard gown you probably always see us wearing. Pretty much whenever we're working, we'll be wearing a gown, and these are always replaced between patients and they're disposable.
Yeah. Okay, and the last things we're going to be wearing once we get our hands cleaned and washed is gloves. Will be like a magic gloves, I hope so.
Yep.
So, I hope you enjoyed our introduction of what you will see from now moving forward. It is going to be kind of the way we think the industry or the health industry will be, so don't be kind of scared about it or anything. It's just the normal precautions that we're going to need to take to protect you, protect us as a team working to help you and serve you much better and a safer environment. So thank you for understanding, and thanks Dr. Matt for joining and explaining the interesting
Dr.
stuff,
Hany.
and we'll see you more when you have it on.
That's it.
Okay, see you, thank you, and stay safe.